With HLAB, I've just really liked working with clients. I came to law school to be a lawyer, and being a lawyer means you're advocating for someone. And with HLAB, we have our own clients and we have our own cases, and that's what I like to do. I like being a lawyer, I like working with people, and I like being able to speak on behalf of them in the legal system. HLAB is special because, for one, it's student run, and with that we manage our own cases. So we have our own clients and we manage the work we do with them. And we have great training, we have great clinical instructors who supervise us, but we really own our cases, we're invested in them, and we're the people who are actually working on behalf of our clients. One case that I really liked working on was with a tenant who was going through foreclosure. She had been living in the house for 10 years with her family. The property was foreclosed on and she had no idea. She learned about our organization and got our legal help, and right now she's been able to stay in her house for over a year, and we're currently trying to negotiate with the bank to actually keep her in her home and for her and her family to actually potentially buy the home. So just being able to work with her throughout this entire process, keep her and her kids in the home has been really great. Seeing something from start to potentially finish has been a really great experience. So I've worked with both No One Leaves and the Harvard Legal Aid Bureau, and one thing that I really enjoy about it is really attacking a problem from a holistic perspective. So with the entire foreclosure crisis, for No One Leaves, we're knocking on almost every door of every person in Boston who's being foreclosed on. We give them information about their legal rights and tell them that they don't have to leave their house even though it's going through foreclosure. And then some of those people we're actually able to bring into the Harvard Legal Aid Bureau and represent them in court and in trial. So we're able to really reach out into the community and then actually work with some of these people on a full representation basis at the Harvard Legal Aid Bureau. I think one thing that's unique about our model is that we're the ones who are handling our cases. Students work with clients, go to trial, argue motions in court, but we really have great training and great supervision. So we have 8 clinical instructors. Our managing attorney is David Grossman, and they have a wealth of experience in family law, housing law, employment law, and benefits law. And we're working with them every single day. I stop into my CI's office probably 5 times a day with questions. We go back and forth, we discuss case strategy. I'm still the one who manages the case, but she obviously gives me great advice. And that relationship is something that you really don't get in any other type of organization. So another thing that I love about the Legal Aid Bureau is that we're there for 2 years. So we're working on cases, we're handling them from start to finish, but we're also working with our colleagues for 2 years. So these are people who we're in the office with 20, 30, 40 hours a week, who we all have this shared experience and we all have this shared dedication to legal service and public interest. So the friendships that I'm making now in the Harvard Legal Aid Bureau, I'm sure that I'll have them in 10, 20 years, and when it's the 150 reunion, we'll all be back at 23 Everett celebrating.